In this tip of the day, I'd like to demonstrate an extremely fast technique in which you can block off pockets for subsequent toolpaths. For example, let's say that we were going to perform a roughing operation on this part, or possibly some type of 3-axis finishing operation on this part. Well, we might want to cap or block these different pockets. Let me show you how to do this extremely fast. And by the way, I have no wireframe geometry here. If we were to blank the solid model out, you can see there's no wireframe geometry. All right, so how do we block off the pockets? Head over into your command manager, go into Model Tools, and within Parting Tools, there is a great feature called Block Holes. Once you've selected that, click OK, and simply take your cursor and just left-click on the edge of the pockets or holes that you'd like to block. And OneCNC will quickly create those surfaces for you. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.